space come alive with art, conversation, and most importantly, with all of you present here. Thank you for taking part and your precious time to join us today this evening. Today we are delighted to inaugurate Siddhi Vinayaka, a solo exhibition by visual artist Harshini Kishan. Born and raised in Mumbai, Ms. Harshini's journey into art unfolded unexpectedly from a background in aviation to a deep calling in visual expression. Guided by faith, intuition, and a love for color and texture, her practice feels both personal and expansive. Siddhi Vinayaka, her first solo exhibition, is deeply rooted in memory and offering inspired by her mother's birthplace, her spiritual connection to Mumbai, and the vibrant energy of the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Devotion and design flow seamlessly in this exhibition where traditional Indian motifs meet expression abstraction. Through fabric, pigment, metal, and thread, the works emerge as layered visual prayers, inviting us to pause, reflect, and feel the quiet energy of color, form, and texture. I would like to invite now Ms. Harshini Kishan to share a few words.
Hello everyone, welcome to my solo show. This is my first time I'm having my solo show outside Bangalore, and this first time in Chennai. So I would like to thank my mother and dad for supporting me, for bringing me here. And thanks to my mom because yesterday was my first drive from Bangalore to Chennai on my own solo. So and today is my solo show here. Yes. So and as you can see that I have put a lot of hard work here and to bring in all these works. It was an easy task, and how do I explain you? I have different genres and themes, and I like to explore more and about my work because I know I have the talent and skill to do more works. And yeah, that's what. I don't have much to talk.
Your paintings will talk.
Yeah, my paintings will express
Let your paintings
yeah, let my paintings speak. Yeah, it's basically like you see the waves of the sea. I have been born and raised in Mumbai, so I was living across the sea. So every time I see the waves, I have put like different colors, explaining the waves. So and this stones are basically the sand and the stone which you go across. So.
This house is in Bangalore.
Yes.
You can replace it with Marina Beach.
So that's all. Anything else to ask?
These works, what were these?
Oh, this was done recently because I did not have so many works for the show. And in August, I had I participated in a group show at Nehru Center, Worli. So, and after I reached home, I got to know that they had this open call for artists in this gallery. So I just applied without realizing it, how it will come, what it will come. So I was like just rushing through to do this work, and yeah, and this was actually done with the fabrics. I went through so many fabric shops across Bangalore to look for cotton fabrics, especially, and picked up whatever I came across, whatever I liked, and I put together this work. And the Jaroka, I bought it online, so I stuck it and created this work. And the swastika was actually Diwali time. Outside my house, we have like 2 shops where they sell a lot of Diwali. It was Diwali items. So I went and hunted for all the things around. So it's like, and yeah, that work you see there, that yeah. It was done. This was done by hand, stitched by hand, and it almost got shortlisted for Guinness World Record. But then the Guinness told that one of the lady from China, she had broken a record in fabric, not on canvas. So I guess I don't know. Somewhat it did not. Get I don't know, somewhat there was some misunderstanding between a fabric and a canvas. And this is a folk fusion. It took 5 months to do. And it's like all different materials, so mixed media, bangles, mirrors, and you get this thread. I don't know what you call this thread, but I just picked it up from the art shop. And yeah, most of the things are like from here and there, and I put together to create this work. I just go with the flow. I just don't think so much. I just put it together and create this. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, this one was like, I had so many fabrics. So I thought, why don't I create something new? So I cut all the fabrics and put it together and put the bells. So to create this colorful work in some. Okay. And yeah, in some usual painting, I thought using a fabric will be a much more better idea than, yeah. And what else? This one is like, yeah, this took quite a long time because to make this flower to fabric, cut into small pieces to make that proper size was not an easy task. I'm putting the stones, not stones, crystals. They're actually crystals, and yeah, it's like somewhat the crystals were like not available most of the time, so it took quite a long time to get it. So. And where else? Okay, we can go ahead. We can the pen work, and this was like when I was in Bombay, I was getting bored. So every day for 3 hours, I would just sketch and sketch and sketch and sketch, and do this round and round and round till I got this full moon work. So it's a small, intricate design using a pen. No pencil, no eraser, just a pen. So that's what it is. And next one. Okay. This was exhibited at Nehru Center in August. And during the Ganpati festival. So I got it here because this was my first work like this I did, and yeah, I wanted to bring in Kalamkari artwork together, and the bells, antique bells, and this was done recently because the swastik was like you get in Swiggy and Blinkit, this Kalawa thread. So I was like, why don't I try experimenting to bring in the swastik in this form design. So I just rolled it up, kept on rolling and rolling till I got this design. And yeah, I had extra Jaroka luckily, so I bought this together. And yeah, that's it. And the Om, yeah, this is actually, I put sand on it, which you get in the shop, red sand, and yeah, it's like colorful. I love creating colorful works. Yeah, and next is Google. Google, yeah, I was like, digital, why digital? Come on, yeah. We are humans, we have hands to create something new, something different. Why Google? I mean, why not Google? It's like, so it's like, why all the time digital? Why people keep talking about digital can do anything and everything? Why we humans also are born with so much of talent and skill, why don't we make use of it? So I was like, let's give it a try. I give it a try, and I thought about it, what to do, how to do, and it's like you get this alphabets in the shop. So, and I put it together, put all the fabrics together, stuck it, and it's like I created this Google. I just went with the flow.
Google doesn't come across it. They will ask you.
Oh yeah.
They may even ask to copy it from you.
So it's like, I mean, people don't understand that we Indians have a lot of talent. Why we should depend on digital only? We should just come out of that digital world and just explore. Come on, yeah. You can't, digital, it's like,
So you're not dependent on
not so much. Only, yeah, I usually use a Google Map. I use a Google Pay. Other than that, nothing else. Google Map to go anywhere, travel anywhere. So I was fascinated by Google, so I just made this artwork. Yeah. So, okay, we'll go to the next. This is actually a terracotta Ganpati. Plain one, simple one. I bought it online, and it's like this work was something which was how do I explain? I wanted to give a different feel together, different work of form or whatever to like with the textile. And this diamonds and all was like, we ladies are very fascinated by diamonds, jewelry, and also I thought, why not just decorate the Ganpati a little bit more? So there, it, and I've used bindis also in this. So it's like to make this work. And yeah, that's it. What else? What else can I say? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, next work. Okay, this is Buddha. People love Buddha. So it was my second work like this. So it's like I bought fabrics and all. I wanted to create textile. I love experimenting with textile fabrics and all because we Indians have, we can showcase our Indian culture of who we are, what we are. Fashion cannot be everything. Art also can show fashion itself. So it's like, you need not have to use fabrics only in fashion and clothing. You can use fabrics in artwork also. They're not like restricted way. It's not a restricted you're not restricted to any one medium. Sorry, I'm out of the words. Textile fabrics you can use in the art also. So that's what I was trying to say.
While Harshini was painting this, lots of thoughts came to my mind as to what is the meaning of all this. It is an abstract painting. So it was quite a difficult task, but looking in a first glance, you see all these waves and all that, all these things. But if you see, our thoughts are like this only. This is a picture of our thoughts, if you say. The theme of this painting should be the picture of our thoughts. And what are thoughts? Our thoughts are the whole universe. If you take out thoughts from the human being, what will be there? Nothing. There will be nothing left in this world. So various kinds of thoughts good, bad, attractive, violent, peaceful, all kinds of thoughts are hovering in our mind. And they dominate at some time or the other. When you are angry, the red will reign. When you are calm, blue will affect our whatever, the living. So this painting reminds me that what we are. This whole world is made of this. Nothing else. So this I wanted to share. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now invite Ms. Vimla Kishan, ma'am? We now move to a moment that symbolizes auspicious beginnings and shared illumination. I kindly request our esteemed artists to invite the guests to light the lamp and mark the official inauguration of the exhibition.
This is my daughter. She's so beautiful. So the same way she shows her beauty and talent and her interest, everything on the painting and the artwork, what she does. So I'm very, very, very proud of her, and I love her forever. And she should be, I'm sure she'll be successful in her life through her paintings and also in her life in many ways. So I bless her, and I hope everyone in this world admire or appreciate our paintings, artwork, and whatever, anything and everything in our life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving on to the lighting of the lamp ceremony, may I please invite the artist to... As we come to the close of this inauguration, my heartfelt thanks to the artists and all the art lovers and the well-wishers gathered here this evening. May the exhibition stay with you like a softly carried blessing, a light remember. Thank you so much.